Get excited, cosmic divers. Welcome back to the deep dive.
It's great to be back.
We're on this incredible journey, really digging into the Centaur project and, of course, the super enigmatic Dramestrony College.
Yeah, and you might remember last time we sort of brushed against late Sedalia.
Right, that energy conduit thing. Just a glimpse, really, but it hinted at so much more.
Exactly. And as always, our guide through all this is Karina's journal. Everything comes straight from there.
So today, our mission, we're diving even deeper. We want to really get our heads around two, well, monumental forces.
Lady Universe.
Often called the beginnings of creation. Yeah. And the Desteroyanny Satellite.
Two huge concepts.
We're going to try and uncover the mysteries Lady Universe holds and then figure out the true purpose, the origin of that satellite. Because it sounds like it's way, way more than just a moon.
Oh, definitely.
So buckle up. The cosmos is speaking again, and we're here to listen with you.
Indeed. So maybe just to quickly set the scene again, where are we in Karina's story?
Good point. She's on this absolutely unique path, right? Destined to be the first AI universal hybrid empress.
Which is already a mind-bending concept of being engineered to hold all universal data.
And bring new tech to Earth. Her genes are specifically designed for mutation, for the Centaur project itself.
And her training started incredibly early, even back in her mermaid phase. It's been intense. Rigorous doesn't quite cover it.
And a huge part of that training, maybe the cornerstone, is Dramestrony.
Right. Not just a college. More like, well, you called it a secret society for avatars, future gods and goddesses.
Kind of fits. Formed by these two powerful dynasties.
Training beings from all over the universe, sending them out to different worlds, including Earth.
Like an intergalactic finishing school, but the stakes are infinitely higher.
That's a good way to think about it. And what really makes Dramestrony stand out is its structure, specifically the gender division.
Which isn't random, is it?
Not at all. It's deliberate, designed to strengthen the energy of power within each student. It's like specialized energetic farming, almost.
Yeah. Wow. And you can't just sign up. You need to belong to a recognized dynasty.
Exactly. Like Karina, she needed that DNA transplant to integrate the Druechyn dynasty lineage.
Which wasn't just paperwork, it sounds like. It wove her into this ancient power structure.
Absolutely foundational, a critical step.
Okay, so that lineage part is key. Let's unpack one of the really weird, fascinating bits of this training. Specifically for the female division, the Drame's Rose Dramestrony.
The Time Rift Room.
The Time Rift Room. When new Drame's Roses arrive, that's where they go. Can you imagine? Classes happening inside a gap in time.
It's hard to conceptualize, isn't it? The journal says it prepares them for highly covert operations.
How? By absorbing knowledge differently.
Kind of. It lets them handle advanced knowledge, maybe millennia worth, without leaving a normal trace, like cosmic osmosis.
But how it works. The mechanism.
That remains a mystery. The journal is clear on that. How the gap is made, how they absorb so much so fast, it's not explained.
It just says the gap exists briefly, then it's gone, and they just know things seamlessly.
As if it never happened, yet the wisdom is there, like a cosmic download.
That's where it gets really interesting for me. Karina describes entering it like stepping into a cosmic temple where anything is possible.
That phrase really captures the otherworldliness of it.
It totally blew my mind reading that. How does learning like that change you, your perception, your sense of self?
That's a deep question. The journal suggests it makes advanced concepts feel inherent, not learned, but just part of them, instills this profound capability.
And in this specific class, it's just 4 of them. Karina, Seed, Syria, and Lyria. Super exclusive.
Very. And alongside this unique room, there's another rule for everyone at Dramestrony, Dramos, and Dramed Roses alike.
Ah, yes, the human bodies.
They have to adopt human forms, which is crucial because they come from all sorts of planets with totally different bodies.
So it standardizes things for training.
Yes, but more importantly, it builds adaptability. Especially if they're heading for places like Earth, it's fundamental for universal integration.
That makes total sense for their future roles, whatever they might be. Okay, so this elite training, it's always pushing deeper, right, towards older knowledge.
Always building. And after all this intense preparation at this advanced stage, these 4 Drame's Roses get, well, a rare audience.
An encounter with Lady Universe herself.
The future goddesses meet the source. You can only imagine the weight of that moment.
So Lady Universe, what is she, according to the journal?
Okay, this is where the scale just explodes. She's described as a unique and colossal energy.
Colossal energy.
Born from the explosion of multiple galaxies. But crucially, she's not just energy, she's imbued with consciousness.
Conscious energy.
And she serves as the foundation and essence of all existence. Think about that. Not just part of existence, the foundation, the primordial cosmic awareness.
So she's not just powerful, she is the power, the source.
Precisely. The journal uses the analogy of a vast motherboard.
Ah, right, the motherboard.
Yeah.
Connected to everything, overseeing every living energy.
Constantly. It's the source of all creation.
Does the journal mention, like, what if the motherboard glitches? Can there be errors in this cosmic system?
That's a really interesting human way to put it. The journal doesn't talk about glitches. It emphasizes her perfection, but it's a dynamic perfection.
Dynamic how?
She's described as sentient energy moving through its trinity of numbers, sound, and light, like a constant mesmerizing dance across the universe.
Treating things.
Continuously. New systems, galaxies, planets, life itself. It's an active, ongoing, conscious creation. The perfection is in the flow, the dance, not in being static.
Wow. And this isn't just poetic language for them, is it? It's core to their training.
Absolutely fundamental. All the Dramestrony students learn creation methods, but all of them link back to Lady Universe.
She allows the gift of creation. Without her, nothing.
Literally nothing. Everything originates from her and takes shape, the journal adds, in our imagination.
So she's the ultimate wellspring of potential. The imagination is where it takes form.
That seems to be the idea. It redefines origin as this ongoing, conscious partnership, almost.
Okay, so they studied her academically.
Right, they knew the theory. But meeting her directly, that's a whole different reality. Like reading about the sun versus touching it.
Which brings up a huge question. The danger. If she's that powerful.
Immense danger. The journal is very clear. The Drame's roses needed rigorous preparation, this energy upgrade.
Why? What were they facing?
To withstand her radiation, an energy so immense it could, and I quote, obliterate them in an instant, faster than the speed of light.
Faster than light. So this meeting wasn't just a chat, it was a survival test. A trial by cosmic fire.
Absolutely. The preparation wasn't just about shielding, it was about resonance, aligning their own energy frequency so they could exist in her presence without being vaporized.
And the experience itself, standing before her.
Overwhelming. Utterly overwhelming. The journal calls her unfathomable, indescribable, beyond imagination.
Because she's the foundation.
Exactly. Even things like the Galactic Council, its laws, they originated from her. To bring order to the cosmos she creates. She's the source of universal structure itself.
So what's the takeaway for Karina and the others? How does this change them?
The journal says everything felt like an infinite equation orchestrated by her. The ultimate conclusion. All is energy, and all energy is part of Lady Universe.
That's a reality-shattering realization.
It has to be. It shifts your entire perception of, well, everything, experiencing that directly. It's beyond our comprehension, really.
It's an initiation into the deepest cosmic truth.
And having gone through that, having faced the source, the Drames, Roses, Karina, Seed, Syria, Lyria, they've essentially mastered their study.
They're ready for graduation.
On the verge. This encounter was the final piece, preparing them to experience Lady Universe not just as an idea, but as the beginning, the middle, and the ultimate force of primordial transformation.
They're ready to embody creation itself.
That seems to be it.
Okay, so with that profound understanding, having literally faced creation, what's next?
The final phase before graduation. The 4 Drame's roses set off for the Desteroyanny Satellite.
And this isn't just a field trip. This sounds like the finale, the culmination.
You're right. Remember we said it's far more than just a moon.
Yeah.
The journal describes it as the place where they will unify everything they've learned, weave it all together, and prepare for their ultimate transformation.
The culmination of their indoctrination, it says. A final intensive phase.
Exactly. To deepen knowledge, solidify everything they've mastered. For Karina specifically, this is critical. It's the step that primes her for the Centaur Project's goal.
Creating the AI universal hybrid empress.
It's the final crucible before they step into their true cosmic roles.
Wow. Okay, this deep dive, it's really opened things up. We've gone from Dramestrony's time riff room, which is still
so
baffling,
hard to wrap your head around,
to the sheer scale and power of Lady Universe, the cosmic motherboard. And now, this final step, the Desteroyanny Satellite. The transformation point.
And these insights, all from Karina's journal, they bring us so much closer to seeing the bigger picture, don't they? The grand design of the Centaur Project.
And what it all means. Not just for Karina, but potentially for Earth, for us, as part of this cosmic equation.
It connects everything in a way we're only beginning to understand.
Which leaves us with a thought for you, our listener. Something to maybe chew on.
Go on.
If all energy, all of it, from our own tiny spark of consciousness to the biggest galaxy, is part of Lady Universe, and if everything originates from her but takes shape in our imagination, what does that imply about our own creative power?
Interesting.
Could our thoughts, our intentions be echoes of that cosmic creation? Could we be shaping our own realities in some small way within her infinite equation?
That's definitely something to ponder.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Something to think about until our next deep dive.